All right. Hello, everybody, and moving on to the next lesson, 10.7, natural logarithms. So really, all rules apply that applied with our last logs, but it's going to be written in natural log. And the reason that we use natural log is if it's a base e. So remember, most logs are base 10. That's the assumed base. But if it's a base e, we write it as a natural log. Okay, so we use ln. So if you look on your calculators, that's an ugly one. I'll erase that. If you look on your calculators, usually right under the log button, there's going to be an ln button. That is for natural log. So again, every property that applied to our logs is going to be applied to our natural logs when it comes to switching back and forth between exponential form and natural log form. So if I have natural log, which is a base e, of x is equal to y, then remember, if we want to go around the way, we start at the base, to the power is equal to. So when we change it back to exponential, it'll be e to the y is equal to x. Okay, so this is just a little bit of practice, changing back and forth. Again, this uses all the same rules. So if I have my x in the exponent and I want to change it back to a log, or in this case a natural log because I got that base e, then I want to, remember, switch this order. So the order you're going to see it set up in the log is going to be e, then the 32, then the x. So when I set up my natural log, base e of 32 is equal to x. Okay, so if I'm looking here, I wouldn't really want to change that to logarithmic form. I'd probably just put that on my calculator, but that is probably not correct. We're going to go ahead and change it. So remember, we want to change the exponent and the equals, and it'll go natural log base e of 20 is equal to 3. And same thing back if I want to go from natural log to exponential. Remember, we start at the base and we go around the way. So e to the x is equal to 5. And likewise here, natural log always has a base e. So we'll just go around the way. E to the third is equal to x. Okay, so same rules apply, just like with logs. So our product rule, remember, is going to be a natural log of m plus a natural log of n is going to change with the product rule because they're using addition with two separate natural logs. We can put them together, condense them into one natural log of m times n. Okay, so remember, we multiply those together. Quotient rule, same thing. So if I've got natural log of m subtracted natural log of n, okay, then that's going to turn into, remember, if I'm adding, I multiply. If I'm subtracting two different logs, I want to divide. So it'll turn into one natural log of m divided by n. And power rule, also the same here. So if I want to go natural log, if I had an n out front, n natural log of m, I can use that power rule to bring this coefficient up into the exponent. So this would turn into natural log of m to the power of n. Probably should have written that natural log a little smaller so it doesn't look like they're all crowded together. Or a little bigger, I guess. That wasn't better. All right. So, same rules apply. Okay, so we're just going to practice the same rules that we did. We're going to go back and forth. So in this case, I want to condense, so I want to put them smaller together. So remember, that means that our goal is to have one natural log. So make sure you guys are pausing and testing this out yourself, seeing if you remember these skills before you watch me do them. Okay, so I'm adding these together, so I'm really going to be doing natural log of 3 times 2x. So that's going to turn into natural log of 6x. This one is being subtracted. So really I'm going to be doing natural log of 4x divided by 2, which will simplify. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so natural log of 2x. And I've got a coefficient here, so if I want to condense it, I bring it up into the exponent. So this will change to natural log of x to the second power. And now I want to expand, so I want to break it up into multiple natural logs. Well, I see division, so remember division separates with subtraction, so this would be natural log of 3, top goes first, minus natural log of x. And expanding this one here, 7 times x, remember there's being multiplied together, so I want to break that up into addition, so natural log of 7 plus natural log of x. And lastly, if I have that x out in the exponent, I can drop it to the front as a coefficient. So this would turn into x, natural log of 4. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. Try out the practice on the next page and check the key tomorrow and see how it goes. Let us know if you guys need help in our office hours, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 1 to 3.